Good morning. So today we are going to learn how to prepare statement of profit and loss account. So already you know the format which already we have given in the last classes. So the format, if you see, there is revenue from operations here, other expenses, all that we have taken. Now you see in your format here and see the question. The question they have given as revenue from operations. So this will be taken as it is revenue from operation. Purchases will be the expense we are taking. Now they have given us salaries, leave encashment. So there is something heading called as a employee benefit expense. So these two will come under the heading of employee benefit expenses. What are the employees we are giving the benefits, that goes to that particular head. Then you have here rent and taxes and repairs. Rent and taxes, repairs and all will go to the other expenses here. And the tax you have to subtract from the taxes. So you see the format also, it's given as a revenue we have, and the expenses. Under the expenses you have employee benefit expenses, we have here depreciation, financial cost, other expenses, all that you have entered in the format. Now same thing, now what are the points are given here in this question here. Based on that we are preparing now profit and loss account for this particular year. We continue with the sum now, how to prepare. The heading is profit and loss account for the year ending 31st March 2018 as per Schedule 3 of Companies Act. Particulars and amount. So here also you can write as in notes. If we are preparing any notes for the account, we have to write the notes. The first here always we write as revenue from operations. Revenue from operations or sales. If they have given in the question as a sales here, also we will write as a revenue from operation. Okay, the amount is given as a 5 lakhs. So we will write as the amount 5 lakhs here. Okay, this is a total. So this total becomes as the total of A, because revenue from operation will be the total A we have. Then we will go to the second part as expenses. Now what are the expenses we have here? We have here purchase of the goods is given. Purchases, since they have given directly here, the amount we will write here as amount column 3 lakhs. Then we will write as employee benefit expense. But whereas this one, they have not given us directly employee benefit expense. But there are 2 points will come under this, that is salaries to the employees as well as leave encashment. Employee salaries are given as a 40,000 and leave encashment is given as a 10,000. So total becomes as 50,000 for employee benefit expenses. Then we'll go here other expenses, because they have not given any depreciation or amortization. If they have given depreciation, we will write here. If they have given financial cost like interest on debentures, interest on loan, that will come under the financial expense. So we don't have that. So directly we are writing as the other expenses. Other expenses also, if you add, you will get as 50,000. Add rent and taxes here. So you will get rent, right? And rent we have. So together the amount becomes as the 50 lakhs be the 50,000 will be other expenses. Then now we will total up here. So total becomes as 4 lakhs. So this is your total B. So this is our expenses. Now we need to find out, next step here is we need to find out the profit for the year. Now how do we get the profit here? So profit for the year before tax, because still we have not subtracted the tax. Now how do we get the profit before tax? A minus B. So total of A minus with the total of B. Means 5 lakhs you minus with the 4 lakhs. So the profit becomes as 1 lakh, that is only before taxes. Now what we should know here, taxes are there in the sum. So that taxes we have to subtract, minus taxes. Here they have not given the amount, but they gave the percentage, 30%. Means 30% on the profit. What is the profit we have here? 1 lakh. So on 1 lakh. So 1 lakh into 30 by 100. So we will get the taxes as 30,000. So subtract now the taxes here. What is the profit is remaining? 70,000 profit is remaining. So this we will call as profit after tax. So this is a profit after the tax. So this how we prepare here the statement of profit and loss. So first we will take here the revenue. If they have given any other incomes, we will add for this, then it becomes as the total of A. Then we will take all the expenses. Expenses also here. So we cannot write directly here salaries, wages, rent. We cannot write here. So there is a proper headings are given under particular head. Now since we have added employee benefit expense, this becomes as a note 1. Because we have added 2 items like salaries as well as the leave encashment we have added in that. So that is your note 1. Then here purchase as it is, and we have other expenses we took as a rent, that 50,000 here we have taken it. So the total amount is here. Then we subtract A minus B, we will get the remaining amount. From that you subtract your taxes here. The taxes you minus, we will get the remaining amount. That remaining amount will be called as the profit after tax. This is your answer.